Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Purchase Rust from the Microsoft Store on your Xbox and install it. Expect the download and install to use about 40 GB of free storage. Sign into your Xbox account and ensure a stable broadband connection of at least 5 Mbps for multiplayer. Update your console firmware and Rust client to the latest version before launching to avoid matchmaking errors and compatibility issues. Configure system audio and controller profiles in settings. Then restart the console if updates completed to make sure the game loads cleanly and joins servers. Start every session by learning the controls: left stick moves, right stick looks, A jumps, B crouches, X interacts. Use RT to swing or attack and LT to aim or block when the item supports it. In your first 10 minutes, gather wood and stone, craft a hatchet and pick, and make a sleeping bag to claim a respawn point. Open the radial menu with LB to craft and equip quickly, and use D-pad shortcuts to select building plans or consumables without breaking momentum. When choosing where to play, check server population and wipe schedule. Official servers usually have higher player counts, while community servers may have custom rules. Practice base building early and place a sleeping bag inside your starter base to secure a respawn point. Remember that raiding costs explosives and time, and it invites retaliation. Use stealth during night hours, bandage wounds immediately to prevent bleed out, and avoid confronting large groups until you have armor and reliable weapons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.